Hello and welcome to Construction Master. Today, we're going to talk about what is construction. The Construction Master channel provides a range of videos to construction students and professionals. This topic published in parts 01, 02, 03, 04 and full version, and this is part 02. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. Construction process. Some construction projects are small renovations or repair jobs, where the owner may act as designer, paymaster, and laborer for the entire project. However, more complex or ambitious projects usually require additional multidisciplinary expertise and manpower, so the owner may commission one or more specialist businesses to undertake detailed planning, design, construction, and handover of the work. Often the owner will appoint one business to oversee the project. This may be a designer, a contractor, a construction manager, or other advisors. Such specialists are normally appointed for their expertise in project delivery and will help the owner define the project brief, agree on a budget and schedule, liaise with relevant public authorities, and procure the services of other specialists, the supply chain, comprising subcontractors. Contracts are agreed for the delivery of services by all businesses, alongside other detailed plans aimed at ensuring legal, timely, on budget, and safe delivery of the specified works. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Design, finance, and legal aspects overlap and interrelate. The design must be not only structurally sound and appropriate for the use and location, but must also be financially possible to build, and legal to use. The financial structure must be adequate to build the design provided and must pay amounts that are legally owed. Legal structures integrate design with other activities and enforce financial and other construction processes. These processes also affect procurement strategies. Clients may, for example, appoint a business to design the project, after which a competitive process is undertaken to appoint a lead contractor to construct the asset, design bid build. They may appoint a business to lead both design and construction, design build, or they may directly appoint a designer, contractor and specialist subcontractors, construction management. Some forms of procurement emphasize collaborative relationships, partnering, alliancing, between the client, the contractor, and other stakeholders within a construction project, seeking to ameliorate often highly competitive and adversarial industry practices. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Planning. When applicable, a proposed construction project must comply with local land use planning policies including zoning and building code requirements. A project will normally be assessed by the authority having jurisdiction, AHJ, typically the municipality where the project will be located, for its potential impacts on neighboring properties, and upon existing infrastructure, transportation, social infrastructure, and utilities including water supply, sewerage, electricity, telecommunications, etc. Data may be gathered through site analysis, site surveys, and geotechnical investigations. Construction normally cannot start until planning permission has been granted, and may require preparatory work to ensure relevant infrastructure has been upgraded before building work can commence. Preparatory works will also include surveys of existing utility lines to avoid damage causing outages and other hazardous situations. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Finance. Professionals including cost engineers, estimators, and quantity surveyors apply expertise to relate the work and materials involved to a proper valuation. Financial planning ensures adequate safeguards and contingency plans are in place before the project is started and ensures that the plan is properly executed over the life of the project. Construction projects can suffer from preventable financial problems. Underbids happen when builders ask for too little money to complete the project. Cash flow problems exist when the present amount of funding cannot cover the current costs for labor and materials. Such problems may arise even when the overall budget is adequate, presenting a temporary issue. Cost overruns with government projects have occurred when the contractor identified change orders or project changes that increased costs, which are not subject to competition from other firms as they have already been eliminated from consideration after the initial bid. Fraud is also an occasional construction issue. Large projects can involve highly complex financial plans and often start with a conceptual estimate performed by a building estimator. As portions of a project are completed, they may be sold, supplanting one lender or owner for another, while the logistical requirements of having the right trades and materials available for each stage of the building construction project carry forward. Public-private partnerships (PPPs) or private finance initiatives (PFIs) may also be used to help deliver major projects. According to McKinsey in 2019, the vast majority of large construction projects go over budget and take 20% longer than expected. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Legal. A construction project is a complex net of construction contracts and other legal obligations, each of which all parties must carefully consider. A contract is the exchange of a set of obligations between two or more parties and provides structures to manage issues. For example, construction delays can be costly, so construction contracts set out clear expectations and clear paths to manage delays. Poorly drafted contracts can lead to confusion and costly disputes. At the start of a project, legal advisors seek to identify ambiguities and other potential sources of trouble in the contract structures and to present options for preventing problems. During projects, they work to avoid and resolve conflicts that arise. In each case, the lawyer facilitates an exchange of obligations that matches the reality of the project. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Procurement. There are mainly four types of procurement strategy: 1 traditional or design bid build, 2 design build, 3 construction management, 4 management contracting. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Please continue watching Part 03. The Construction Master channel provides a range of videos to construction students and professionals. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. See you in the next videos. Stay safe.